Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. On this video, I'm going to teach you how to downgrade iOS 26 beta to iOS 18 without losing a thing. So the first thing you want to do right now is check what kind of software you have already. So go to settings right there, go back on the main page, look for general. Click software update. We just want to make sure that what kind of version we have. And as you can see right here, I have iOS 18.5 because right now there are going to be limited things or iPhones that can install iOS 26, and I think XR, my device, is going to be not one of them. So what's next? So basically the thing you have to do right now is you have to have a MacBook. So if you don't have a MacBook, you can use your Windows PC. But for this one, if you have a Windows PC, please go to support.apple.com and download iTunes. iTunes is going to be your workaround for this one. This is going to be your powerful tools for now. Simply click on download for that one. And after downloading that specific iTunes, connect your phone to your PC and basically back up your data using iTunes. It will just automatically back it up once you plug it in using a lightning cable or Type-C connector. Next up, search this website. It's going to be called IPSW.me, and this is going to be how it looks like. Let me just reload it. So as you can see right here, there's going to be a lot of things going on. If you click iPhone right there, you need to choose what kind of iPhone you have. On my end right here, I'm just going to select, let's just go for 13 for example. And you can see iOS 18.5 right there. Download this file, open it on your computer, and successfully downgrade your phone from iOS 26 beta to iOS 18. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.